Yo, so I finally got some ink. Finally got the inkage. Let me show it to you. Let me put the camera down. So I got some camera downage. Camera's down. It might be at an angle. No, this camera's so good, don't even angle it. So I got the ink. And it's the same ink as you got it. This thing. Alright, so it's the ink for this. So it's from OFFNOVA. As you can see, it's the OFFNOVA ink for the OFFNOVA CISS that I'm going to be testing out. And like I said, they didn't send me ink, so I had to buy my own ink. But this they sent to me. They sent this unit to me, and we're going to be testing this unit. Again, they sent it to me. I didn't purchase this. They sent this to me. Be testing this out. And because they didn't send me any ink with the unit, I had to buy my own ink. And I figured since I had to buy ink, I'll buy their ink, and I'm testing their ink as well as their unit. So I purchased this, didn't purchase the unit. They sent the unit to me. Again, just I wanted to make sure that's clear. Alright, so we're testing ink, we're testing the unit, and I just want to let's show you that I bought OFFNOVA ink as well. So I'll be testing OFFNOVA, the OFFNOVA, I will be testing the OFFNOVA DTF Emerge CISS, this is what it's called, yes, Emerge. The Emerge CISS with the power battery pack in it, and I think this is a newer one. This is the newest one. Oh, and they sent me back an email. I asked some questions, and they actually asked me some email. I sent an email with some questions, and they answered back the email with sent me back an email with some answers, and now I have all that information to share with you. As soon as I get into the process of actually start testing this unit, I'm gonna share all that information. Test how the ink is testing, how the unit works. All that information will be coming at you. So subscribe, and you'll get a lot of information straight out of the box. All right, OFFNOVA coming at you. Again, my ink, their unit. All right, peace. I totally forgot to show you what was in the box. I totally man, I am off the rails today. I'm a little too excited because I'm actually printing right now. So what comes in this box, I didn't buy the big bottles because if you have been watching the channel, you'll realize that I have a smaller CISS because I want to be able to replace inks faster, so I can be able to test more. I can test more inks. Also, I don't print as much, so I really don't need giant bottles. The little ones work just fine. And then with little bottles of ink, the OFFNOVA inks, you get these things, which I'm never going to use. So this is pretty much going to go in the recycle bin. And I bought the little bottles. I didn't buy the big bottles because, again, like I said, I don't print as much. So these little bottles are going to be plenty for me. Now, the CISS they sent me are the bigger bottles, the giant size ones. These ones. Alright. It's for these ones, and I bought these little ones. Alright. This is a 250 milliliters. This is the 100 milliliters. Yeah, this is the 250 and this is the 100 milliliter. But this is LCL, as you can see. I love this brand ink. Still king in my book. So we're going to test this one, see how it compares to this bad boy. Alright, so we're going to test OFFNOVA versus the LCL and all the other inks that I've tested in the past. I was going to test the Aqua Image. I was going to test this brand, okay? I'm still testing this one. I'm gonna make a video soon about this one, how it's coming out. I'm almost ready because I'm about ready to test the CISS from OFFNOVA. So I'm gonna be making a video about this here soon. So stay tuned for that one too. But again, I just want to I just want to introduce this ink now because I'll be using this plus the CISS within the next, I would say, a few weeks, and all the information gonna be coming at you from that CISS. Plus, I'll be testing more inks, and I'll be buying these smaller bottles. I switched inks way too fast. All right, so you'll be getting information on inks. I'm gonna tell you how all the inks work there too. So, you know, I got to test all different kind of inks. You know how I do. So with OFFNOVA inks, how OFFNOVA inks works, how the LCL inks works, and how the Aqua ink is gonna work in that same OFFNOVA CISS. You know, I gotta do it the crazy way. We never do stuff right. All right, so all that information is gonna be coming at you. If you don't subscribe, well, you're gonna miss a bunch of it. So you're probably gonna miss it anyways because you probably don't care. All right, but if you do care, subscribe and you will be able to get all the information. All right, so till next time, hopefully this time is peace.
Step up your A game, step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.